boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. Fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la. Year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather, fa la 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. The season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. Fa la 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 la.
To our channel.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Vlogmas day number much?
I don't even know, I'm lose count.
Day number 16, guys. Thank you so much for coming back to another video. If it's your first video you're clicking on, guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. We'll do our best to make sure you enjoy this video, definitely. So at the end of the video, you probably consider subscribing. And definitely all the persons who subscribe already.
Thank you guys.
Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. On a large, we appreciate you, we love you guys. Vlogmas day number 16, guys, is an interesting journey for us and for you guys. So all the persons who have been here since Vlogmas day number 1, we appreciate you guys, alright? So in tonight's video, guys, of course, Nats
What?
decided to make an appearance. Nats is here today, tonight, guys, and we just have a little reason with you guys. We have a nice little beautiful backdrop tonight. It's not a bare blank wall like when we used to and them's alone in our video. We have a nice little Christmas tree in our background. We're not designed, by the way. I take no credit. And
Decorated.
yeah, decorate. You know what I mean?
No, I don't know what you mean.
So with that said, guys, what we'll be talking about tonight, we're just gonna be sharing our experiences, guys. Like, what does Christmas mean to us? What was Christmas like as a kid? Did we celebrate Christmas? Why are we celebrating Christmas now? And also probably try and see if we can compare like Christmas in Jamaica versus Christmas in Canada, right? That what I want?
Yeah.
That's right. Basically, if you like this kind of content, like the video, yeah. Share the video, leave a comment, and join the community. Let's get into it. What was Christmas like as a kid for you?
Why you have to start with yourself, man? For me, was born. Nothing fun about Christmas for me. I don't have a family tradition or anything like that, so.
So Nats grew up in a 7-day Adventist yard. Nats grew up right there, so an Adventist church that right there, so she grew up in a church yard. So pretty much the Adventist culture, of course, many of you guys know that is a culture that don't celebrate Christmas. So Nats grew up not celebrating Christmas, so she don't really have no experience with that. So like,
no.
I don't say like you guys never used to celebrate Christmas days, but like the whole vibe didn't at the ear of Christmas and all that.
In the ear, but never in the house.
So what you used to do
Alright,
time?
the earliest thing what we can really remember is like Christmas. I say, okay, Christmas, you know, December 13 and the whole vibe, the whole community, and you can feel it, school, you know, the community Christmas vibe. My no, it's regular.
So did you feel like sad or did you just
only it was like when it comes to like the 24th and everybody going to Grand Market and you know, you just left. I couldn't go nowhere. I'm not going nowhere because I didn't have to go nowhere. So it was like everybody gone to Grand Market, you know, find ID and then roam a road and me lock up in
Well,
the
not
house.
to stay so look out and I look on people and enjoy
Yeah.
yourself.
Yeah. So yeah, that was it. And Christmas Day now, my cook I want something different.
Maybe. No big deal.
That's a regular. And
Well-
Christmas Day, my mother's stepmother will come from Canada here and she come down, so we might go around there, or you know, you go to other family members' house and you might get a one piece of cake and you know, get a little cider for drink. You know, them something them. But otherwise from that, boring bad. No, you know, Christmas night and 27th, 26th,
Yeah.
25th. You know what happened? Because Seventh-day Adventists have their hymnal,
Yeah.
or them, what them call it, hymnal or something, I don't remember. And they have a Christmas like
Yeah.
holy night and whatever. I used to sing about that. So yeah, that was it.
That was it?
That was it. Just, that
Well,
was it. From my early years.
Malia decided to make an appearance. She literally just wake up. All along she asleep when I decided to do the video. As I start the video, she decided to get up. She probably want to make an entrance. Alright? For now. Yeah guys, for me, growing up, Christmas was like what it was for most people. In terms of, I never grew up in a Seventh-day Adventist household, so Christmas was observed. The biggest part about my Christmas though was mostly friends, right? So I never grew up in a family where Christmas is an entire season. Christmas was more like just a day when you know say little extra food cook and you will just eat little extra food and you know say yeah, Christmas, yesterday Christmas or tomorrow Christmas kind of thing. But she eat her hand. But all that said, one of the things that I remember as a kid was my stepmother at the time. Every Christmas Eve she used to bake, right? So I remember as a kid, like staying up, bleaching for Christmas Eve. I helped mix out sugar and butter, kind of thing, right? Up to now, I don't like his smell. Not can't tell her. Yeah, guys, don't nobody get distracted now. Trying to see me feed baby. I know I love baby already. Pay attention to me, I say. As I was saying, my stepmother at the time usually bake every Christmas Eve, and it usually like take the entire night, like you know, mixing a sugar and butter, the mixing, the blending of the fruits and all of them things. And even now, it's a smell when we remember distinctly. It's a thing when we remember. But even though the older I got, like when we reached like teenage years and stuff like that, it was more like going to Grand Market. So I'm blessed, I'd say, to have the same friends for the most part that I had back then. Even now, we basically travel through time. Like our friendship has been like way in excess of 25 years, and I'm not much that older than 25 years, but like yeah, decades of friendship, right? So back then, what we used to do, we used to just put all our money together. We start save from December drop in. We put all our money together, you know, we're going down a town. Like me and my brethren, them, you don't know, say, you want to buy pants in a tree, we buy shoes in a tree, we buy a shirt in a tree, because, you know, at the end of the day, all of we look the same way, but also just how things set, and then, of course, exactly. Then, of course, we have three nights, so basically, no, say, at that night then. Christmas Eve, a Grand Market night, straight. So I grew up in Spanish Town, and anybody who grew up in a Spanish Town, you know, so Linstead I place. So from 13-year-old I got Linstead Grand Market. Big up my friends, and you know now watch this right now. I was much like on the video by the way, I don't know about the thing, you understand? But from an early age I got Linstead Grand Market, and we have bleach, and you know we just have tons and tons of memories. I always share it with Nats, like stuff what we used to do and things like that. And as we get older, we start venture out more. We start going like Mandeville Grand Market and different places like that. That's one tradition that we always have. The second thing that we always have is like every Christmas Day, of course, everybody in an early settings that they had, whatever their family provide. Because we tell them to say, as bad as things be, we used to get like extra food on Christmas Day. But Christmas night now.
I'm not sure if this will go.
That right? Christmas night now, I have a friend, Katie, big up herself. Katie mother used to cook. Just basically for Katie, because Katie was the only child at the time. She had a brother, but in the overseas, so I know so she alone her mother have. So her mother used to just cook a bag of food, and the whole of we used to pile up over Katie at Christmas night and just eat all the vibes as friends. That I won. Then Boxing night now, guys, I don't know, so I have to touch on the plaza.
Where's the plaza?
The plaza is the nearest plaza to which I live. Everybody who watches now, if you're a Jamaican, don't know the plaza. You don't know the plaza?
No, I don't know the plaza.
You don't know the plaza, views?
No, I don't.
Boxing night, guys, we have to touch on the plaza because I don't know things said. As bad as things, we have to go walk and walk out the plaza, and if we even look to look at ice cream, all the vibes and as a youth, as a teenager, that was what we used to do back then. You understand? And then after that, Dave, you don't know, says I want to see you. She not an experience at Christmas,
no,
so.
no, when I moved to Spanish Town, come to town now, that is when I went to Grand Market. We got this Grand Market, no, this
So you don't share that? You have to say you grew up in a yard and whatever.
Yeah, but you don't invite to teenagers. Like, I don't. What? Yeah, we got this Grand Market and walk it stretch. Never got back walking. Never could have placed there before. But me a walk, which was fun. It was like so fun.
Yeah.
It was like really fun.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes. And talking about those times, guys, it kind of really just bring back a kid vibe where you just look back and say, boy, those were the days, boy. Man, I tell you, those were the days.
You walk from morning, you walk from like you left like 9, 10 o'clock. Golden State, 12, yeah. Walk the whole time until 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning to come back home. Yeah, it was
that was the vibe. And I thought, listen, Grand Market, that's how things set, man. Man, tell us, we used to get ready like 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning. Then time, we just have all fresh and thing. And then jump, or bus it up, bus it. And every year, next year, I get to license. Yeah. But then for the bus in the hours and night, I want to wear a joke and I say, next year, we're drive to a Grand Market to the year, right? I tell you, anyway, that's another story. Yeah, but those are just some of the memories, guys, that we look back with fond adoration, to look back and smile. And know, say, those are times that we really miss, and we wish we could get back those times, but you don't know, so everything in life is change is the only thing that's constant, so you have to just embrace the change and you don't know things said. But for a little while, guys, of course, personal talking for myself, when I reach a certain age, we kind of outgrow like Grand Market and all of them little stuff there that was like important as a child. And then for a little period in time, I never really busy about Christmas.
like when was that stage?
Like even to me just that babes. It wasn't like, we tap Grand Market there,
No, we don't go party.
But I was at a party like 24/7.
You know, every weekend you
But
go party.
in terms of like the vibe of Christmas gift, we're never really interested in it. We look on it like just another day.
Just another, yeah.
You get me? So like like your 20s there about where you kind of like facilitate like, well, me personally, cause they don't know if you story. They kind of force it like the whole Christmas vibe and thing. I'm just another day and thing. But we kind of catch it back because we have kids. So you see we have a nice little Christmas tree in our background and and thing like that. So that's how we really decided to start like take up about this Christmas. We really like that year. I tell them I start plan matching pajama.
Tell the people that matching pajama not me. Because I'm not doing no matching pajamas, but you want to do it, so might take a picture in matching pajamas.
Might take a picture in matching pajamas. I want to Malika now. When I have kids, boy.
Yeah. Yeah,
guys. So would you say there's a difference between Christmas in Jamaica and Christmas here in Canada where you are right now?
Or like this will be our third Christmas here.
Yeah.
And for our first and second Christmas, it was like my experience here is like going over to people's house and having a meal.
Well, can I hear what I say?
And having a meal, yes. And having a meal, but that's it. It was like low key. It's like a low key, low vibe. It's like It's not the same. It's not the same. It's not. It's. I
So-
don't know how to describe it, but same like when me lock up in a house, like that one, me the young, low key, no, yeah, literally like that to me.
So, if I could like choose one, Christmas in Jamaica or Christmas in Canada, which one would I choose?
Jamaica without a doubt.
You know, me can't agree with that though, Mills.
I will no, that is your choice, that is my choice. I prefer Jamaica.
Alright,
Right,
I'm telling you why I can't agree with that. I think both Christmas in Jamaica and Christmas in Canada has its value. I'm gonna tell you what I
Nothing
mean.
is wrong with it.
Like Christmas in Jamaica is more like is a vibe,
Yeah,
right? Christmas in Jamaica is a vibe,
it is.
and you know you have fun and
You
know
can
one of-
feel it. You can actually feel it. Yes, I mean, it's just a
No, you
regular
can't
day.
feel it here
No,
too. Yeah, babes.
I don't
yeah,
see
babes.
that.
You can.
It's just like for me here, it's like okay, Christmas look like this, look something here, and that's it. Jamaica is a whole. It's like from December touching.
Let me
It's
tell
like
you-
you
let me
can
tell you why.
feel it.
Let me tell you why I say you right here something valid too. It's a Christmas here, guys, is more family oriented.
Jamaica
In
is
terms
not
of
romantic.
no, really.
Don't do that.
Jamaica, hold on. It's a Jamaica. Alright. That's a good start, a brand new
No,
different
don't
video.
do that. Cause I have alright. I left out parts where like that's my home where we don't have a Christmas. I have family members, like extended family in like Manchester. Proud big up myself. Yes. Where it's family. Everybody come together, there'll be cooking, the whole vibe, drinking, laughing. We have one
But Master babes, that alright, fine. Which
it's
is
not
what I'm
only
saying-
my family.
No, which is what I'm saying, in Jamaica, Christmas is a vibe. But get it. But Christmas right here, so it's more about family. And I'm telling you what I mean. Alright, probably because it's like probably a wider society issue in terms of, and everybody in Jamaica have family where they can go.
Yes.
And whatever like
but you
that.
have friends. People have friends where they do the same thing too.
Mm-hmm.
You can feel it. Oh, continue. Me never cut it.
You say that shall
Continue. Can me just me not understand? Me not try.
She had for me, I'm telling you.
Me not try get you back from go.
Christmas in Jamaica is a vibe. I say that. In terms of, you know, everybody have fun, everybody, you know, in a season. But right here, so guys, it's a more slow pace. It's a more slow, appreciate life, appreciate people, their family. It's more an appreciative kind of vibe. I find.
That's what you find. When what? Look here, on the comment in the comment section, drop a comment in the comment section and tell me which one better or which one describe what you're saying. Cause family, don't do that.
I don't know when that's at all, but I
Don't do
got
that.
to
Yes,
do
sir.
always to agree for disagree.
Yes,
But
no.
the thing is, me prefer Christmas at Canada than Jamaica. Me not growing a Canada base. Me prefer Christmas
Why?
at Canada than
Why?
Jamaica. I'm gonna tell you why.
Why?
Because, alright, for example, probably there's just probably less distraction. There's probably less distraction to the point that you can focus on your
What?
family, and as I said, more indoor and just kind of low key and just appreciate what going around you. Jamaica bills is all about the fast pace, the partying, the grand market, the shopping,
It's a vibe.
it's a vibe.
That is so
And it all
good.
comes down back to what you prefer. What do you prefer? What do you prefer, guys?
The vibe. Oh, no, comment in a comment. The vibe, of course.
I know everybody prefer a vibe.
That
yes.
is true, but true. When I experience this, when I appreciate that. Simple.
I will disagree. I
Unlike
disagree.
you, where you just want to lock down in that.
First and foremost, people, I'm not a boring people. So all I
I'm
wanna
never
say,
said boring.
all I wanna say, them's boring. I choose them.
It's not
I choose
about
them
boring.
and whatever. But
You're
I'm
getting
telling you this, guys.
older.
I'm telling you this, guys. Me used to going to the parties and all that in Jamaica. And it's a vibe. Me miss it too. It's like it have its place. But also being like in a house, like they're like lock up in a house because outside too cold and you can't go nowhere. And you have to make fun with their family. You play games with their family and stuff like that with their family. But we can't really do that in Jamaica.
But you know, everybody in Jamaica do the grand market and the party and the all of that. And not everybody.
Well, that's true.
So for you,
But not everybody have family where they can lock up in a house and everything and whatever. You know what, babes? Remember, you know, babes? And enough people in Jamaica right now feel pressured to spend on them not have, just to fit in.
Yeah, but still. We're talking about Christmas in America. Christmas in Jamaica.
And that might
It's
tell you,
alive.
Christmas
But
in
you think,
Jamaica.
well,
is a vibe.
you don't think people are pressured here as well?
Not as much.
Oh.
Reason I don't think it's as much is because it is advertised, you know, and stuff. But there are a lot of people here when I celebrate Christmas.
True. Come on, there's a lot of persons in Jamaica don't celebrate Christmas
pizza,
too.
No, listen, I used to deliver pizza. I'm sorry for all the persons who don't understand what we're saying. Because, yeah, we're talking a partner. People, I used to deliver pizza. And even on Christmas Day sometimes, I had to be working. You remember?
Yeah.
I know much people used to have a pizza upon that day.
Because it's different culture.
Exactly my point. You don't feel pressured for 50, you don't feel pressured if you go down a town, go buy 10 pair of shoes for 15, you don't feel pressured to put on nice clothes because your friend are gonna look on you and say, what you want that so much? She couldn't even go buy one New Year. Big Christmas and she walk up and go the same hairstyle. You get what I'm saying?
I understand that.
You don't understand.
I understand.
So that means I prefer Christmas right here, so because it's
That's
more
your preference.
it's more low key and you can appreciate
That's your
and
preference.
and guys, as we tell you, so nobody call me boring.
That's your preference.
You understand? But yeah, so it's a long and short. I prefer Christmas in Jamaica by your mind.
Yeah. You're gonna lock up in the house. 25th of December, I'm gonna lock up in the house. Fine, yes, family, all of that. We can't go outside, go take a walk.
You can.
Ooh, I'm going out this morning.
You can.
You must be crazy.
You can go outside.
No, it's not. No. Yeah, I can go outside, go in a cold. I'm not doing
Is that you can go
Not
slowly
going
go
up.
slide on the hill.
I'm good.
But there's something down there, so you can do. There's so many things you can do.
Not in the cold.
And thing. Guys, I really wish that all of you guys who are watching this video right now get to experience both, and then you are able to say which one you really prefer, Christmas in Canada or Christmas in Jamaica. And all the persons who are here in Canada already, all the Jamaicans or Caribbean natives that are here in Canada, share your experience. What was it like in your home country? Is Christmas the same? Are you like in a Christmas, like are you a Christmas person? Do you believe that Christmas is important? And also, do you believe that like as I'm saying, do you believe that Christmas here is better than Christmas in your home country? You know, just share an opinion. Yeah, me personally think that Christmas right is better. I'm not a girl, okay.
That is still, that's your preference.
Auntie, that's just my opinion, guys. Of course.
When everything free up and all of that, me and the kids go to Jamaica. You can't stand here. You can't stay in here.
You're trying me. You're trying me.
For Christmas here.
But anyways, guys,
If I had a choice right now, if I could book a ticket and go to Jamaica, I would go.
So why you can't book a ticket and go to Jamaica?
Non-essential
Of course, I
travel.
have a choice.
Non-essential travel right
Well,
now.
let's send her come to Jamaica for Christmas. Yeah, when I come next week, Saturday, I book our flight for Monday and send her come to Jamaica. Me will stay with Malia and Malika.
Try option, bro.
Me will stay with the kids then.
No kids coming with me.
Is the kids coming with
You
us?
can stay.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the little reasoning. Share an opinion down in the comment section. We're really interested to hear on the officer. Of course, we know say we try as best as possible to respond to every single comment. We know this already. Big up on yourself. Subscribe if you're new. 3,000 subscribers is here, guys. You have like 2 weeks to get there. Wanna help you know? Subscribe to the channel, man. Share the channel to your friends and family members and ask them to subscribe too. You don't know the thing set. Bless up on yourself. Check out the link in the video description. And for all the persons who are not able to have the Christmas that they were hoping for, I was talking to a subscriber this morning. She's from South Africa and she told me this morning that she lost her dad. I just want to say condolences to you. I know you watch all of our videos. Blessings to you. You told me that it's not feeling as festive as before. I can understand. We're just sending strength and, you know, all the condolences in the world in your direction. And put a smile on your face, man. No say, boy, you know, life is all about that. You know, we don't want to talk about it, we don't want it, but you know, you are here, you're healthy. Yeah, just keep smiling, just try and make the best of every day as much as possible. And definitely reach out to me as well. I don't know, say always a chat or always a reasoning. And then you guys, whoever want to reach out to, we are on Instagram, DiAndersons Original. Shoot us a message, man. Reason we doing. Make we know say you want to watch a video them too, and don't just send us a message and say you want to help with LOE and all of them stuff there, which is fine. But yeah, we could make a connection, man. We could keep a link, you understand? all of the people them where you don't know say yo now at Christmas season. If you not celebrate Christmas, big up on yourself still me. You don't know things that and everybody in them thing.
And big up to the people that have to work on Christmas Day.
Money have to make. You understand what I say? Big up every single person who watch this video right now. You understand? It is our wish that everybody have a Merry Christmas this year. You understand what I say? Nobody make money be the decisive factor for decide whether or not you enjoy the season or not. You understand? Just the mere fact that you have a life and you're healthy. And even if things not really perfect, find the good in your situation. You understand what I say? You don't know, say, I'm a motivation boss, you know. And that's the thing there, you understand? You understand what I say, people? All the best for 2022, you know. Vlogmas not done it, you know. I'm just at the opportunity if you just make you know, say, yo, we control it. You understand? The law of attraction is real, guys. Positive thoughts become positive reality, guys. I'm telling you that. Positive thoughts become positive reality. Vice versa, the yin and the yang. Negative thoughts become negative reality. Change the negative thoughts into positive thoughts, man. I know so every single thing on the touch will become successful. You don't know what that's a thing there. Especially like in the video, big up on yourself. See you guys in Vlogmas day number 17. It's freezing cold outside. Minus 38 tonight. Wish you luck. You eat a ton of. Big up on yourself, guys. Have a great night. Always a vibe. Big up on yourself. Christmas in Canada for the window. Blessings.